I think we have a treat for you today. We're out here on the north end of Cape San Blas, over here on the Bayside. We're on Leeward Street. If you don't know where that is, I'm really right next to Ovation, where you've got several $1-million homes. You've got quick beach access. So what does that mean for you? Right here, you can take your golf cart, zip around over there to the public beach access and cruise anywhere you want on the beach. But if you don't want to do that, right across the street, and I'll show you in a minute, is bay access. On the other side, on the Gulf side of this community, you also have Gulf deeded access. So this house actually comes with deeded bay and Gulf access. So I love that about it. And a lot of you might not know that this little neighborhood in the north end of Cape San Blas is the only neighborhood on all of Cape San Blas that has grandfathered in FEMA flood insurance. But the good news is this lot is in the ex-flood zone, so you don't even need flood insurance unless you want to carry it. I'm going to show you the downstairs, and then we're going to head up and take a look at the inside. You've got a lot of space here. So if you love elbow room, you've got almost a half an acre here. Look at this. They've built in French drains. They've got extra parking if you want to bring your boat. You've got lots of downstairs area here. I love that they've got the shower tucked in back here. You've got a hot and cold shower tucked in back here. So if you're out at the beach and you drug your kayaks in or your paddleboard, you got a place to rinse off. You've also got a whole downstairs area that is unfinished. So if you wanted to finish this off and create some extra guest quarters here, you have a whole space to do this. We've got pictures of all this. It's got windows, it's got insulation, it's got electrical, it's got all the things. So if you love the idea of being able to expand the space, you could do that all down here. Look at all this concrete. You have lots of space here. You even have room to put a pool in if you'd like to put a pool in. You've got access stairs that come from the main living area. They've got a little porch over here. And even in your space, if you wanted to finish this off, you even have your own light out here. All right, that's it. Let's head inside and let me show you what the inside looks like. I love it that it's all one level living. I think that one level living makes it so easy. Once you get upstairs, you've got everything. It's got a split bedroom plan. So let's go in and take a look. Like I said, big, huge yard. Lots of space. Everything has been slatted. It's all well cared for. Lots of fresh paint on everything. Got a nice little front porch here. Check out this view. Let me get out of the way. Got a view of the bay. It's nice and blue and green today. Look at this open living room. You've got a fireplace tucked in the middle of it, and you can see it from every angle of the house. They've got a nice glass front door here, but look at this space. You've got a vaulted ceiling. You've got a living space here, living space over here. You've got a beautiful bay window here. Nice open kitchen with a pull-up breakfast bar. All the appliances, lots of cabinets. Everything is on the newer side of the appliances. Good cabinet space. This is a great place for everybody to gather. You've got tons of dining. I mean, you could make that huge. You've got a back porch off here, off the back. Kind of faces over by the Gulf side. It's just real private back here. So if you like privacy and you want to see stars for miles, this is it. And you've got the sunset that you'll see going on right out here, right outside your back porch here. I love that. All right, we're going to take a look on the right side of the house. You've got a laundry room tucked in back here on the left. So it's got its own little space. You've got a primary bedroom over here to the right. It's got a set of doors leading out to the porches. So you can hang out on your own porch. Lots of room in here though. We've got dressers, we've got a king-size bed. Take a look at the ensuite bath. This is surprising. You've got a nice little walk-in closet here. A lot more space than you'd think. All right. On to the other side of the house where you've got all your guest rooms all the way across the house. So you really have a lot of nice space between all the guests in here. Folks that rent this house absolutely love it. You can look at the online reviews. It's nice and cozy in here. It's got a great taupe color on the walls. It feels so beachy. You've got a shared bath here that's all been updated with a beautiful vanity, tile floors, a complete 3-piece bath. And the front bedroom has a couple of twin beds, which obviously could be bunk beds if you wanted it to, a nice sunny window. So if you're looking for something that might have a little bit of rental income that you can come and use with your family, rent it some, use it some, offset your expenses, this is the perfect situation because this has been in the rental market for a while. So it's got established rental income. It's kind of the best of both worlds. Or you're just looking for a getaway for yourself and you just want a place where you can leave all your things and come enjoy the beach and enjoy the bay, and you love to fish, literally could go catch fish right out front, bring it home, throw it on the grill, and cook it up for the whole family. I love that about this location. So if you're thinking this is something that looks interesting to you, come and live the beach life. I'll send you everything and share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.